Good morning, children. Today I'm going to explain you in short about the all three tenses and their form. I had explained you in the last three videos what do you mean by tense. Now tenses are the verb forms which indicates the time of an action. There are three main tenses: present, past, and future. And these are the three forms of tenses. They are in simple tense, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous tense. Let us start with simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to express an habitual action or habit or to express the general truth. Now, what is the form of simple present tense? You have subject plus verb 1 plus object. Like suppose for example I can say he goes to office every morning. Past tense. Simple past tense where the action has been completed or to express a past habit or regular action in the past or express it that began and ended in the past. So the form over here is subject plus verb to plus object. Suppose I say, for example, they played the match. Simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to indicate an action that is yet to take place. The verb over here will be used with the root verb to indicate an action in future tense. The form over here is subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. I will buy a new dress for the party. Present continuous tense. Now, present continuous tense is used to express an action that is taking place at the time of speaking. Now, the form over here is subject plus am, is, or are plus verb with ing. You have in continuous form verb with ing plus object. For example, I say, I am knitting a cardigan. The tailor is stitching clothes. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense means where the action has been completed but not complete action. The action that was continuing in the past. It expresses an action of longer duration or describes situation while telling the stories. The form over here is subject plus was or were with ing form, verb with ing form plus object. You can say, for example, when I reached his house, he was sleeping. Future continuous tense. The future continuous tense expresses an action that will be going on at some time in future, which is incomplete, which will be going on in future. Subject plus will be plus with verb ing form plus object. For example, I am going to buy a new car. Now we will see present perfect continuous tense. Now present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action which began in the past, means which started in the past and it is still going on. The form over here is subject plus have been plus verb with ing form plus the object. For example, I can say is the watchman is guarding the house. Now we go to past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is used to report an action or event that occurred before a certain point in the past, the effect of which are still visible when we refer to the past. The form over here is subject plus had been plus verb with ing plus the object. For example, I can say is the girl had been flying kites since childhood. Now we go to future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is used to denote continuous action. So it is used with the reference to some time in future. The form over here is subject plus will have plus verb with ing. Will have been plus verb with ing plus object. For example, he will have been reading about the accident in the newspaper next morning. So, children, always remember in present tense you have verb 1, in the past tense you have verb 2, and future you have will plus verb 1. And in continuous present continuous tense you have am, is, or are with verb with ing. And in past continuous tense was, were with verb and ing. And future tense will be plus verb with ing. In past perfect you have had with verb 3, and present perfect you have has, have plus verb 3, and future perfect you have will have plus verb 3, and in present perfect continuous tense have been plus verb with ing, and then in the past you have past perfect continuous tense subject plus had been plus verb with ing, and in future will have been plus verb with ing. So children, this is all about the tenses and their forms. Thank you.